Hey traders, welcome back to our new video. So in this video, I gonna discuss you what's the reason for taking this trade. When I take this trade, so my target was up to here, but the market come up to this level. That's also a good profit reward ratio. The market come up to about $14. That's a good risk reward ratio. So when we calculating the risk reward, so the market where the market come up to this level, that is about about 4 risk reward. So that was a good trade. I show the proof of the video that is I was taking that trade. So I will show that video in the between this video. And one thing I want to say was the market changes its face at every time. So when I taking that trade, I was target up to this level, but the market come up to this level and showing by some liquidity grab up to this point, and market goes up to the above. So I exited up to here. So like that, this was my different targets, some target levels. So the market up to the this target, and the market going to upside. So if you have a courage to take a hold this position, you can trail your stop loss as cost price, and your target will be here. So but I am exited this trade, so I will so I taking this video. So in this video we are going to discuss the reason for taking this trade. And before going to the video, make sure that everyone watching this video hit that subscribe button and like button. That is my encourage to take videos. So let's go to the video, and we can go for the analysis. First of all, same as the videos I shown in previous videos, we have drawn some of the important areas in the market, like previous days high value areas, like that, to what for analyzing the structure and the direction of the market in the different time frame. I make some analysis and get some conclusion. So that's the reason I taking this trade. So in the 1 hour also, I analyze something, and the market is I made two major lines. Here is a high value area and a support region. So at that time when I enter the trade at this place, these areas I can go for the 50. I think that I can delete this thing. So when I entered the trade up to this level, so there is a two possible chance to move the market. First one is the market has come to this level or this level. Two chances are there. When I closely watched in the lower time frame, the market is showing some like a rejection. That is, the market is going some rejection, showing like the market is going to a bearish mode. And that was a trap to the retailers. We can see that the market is when making a bearish candle, and the market is moving like a huge movement. So that is a collecting SL. Then trapping the retailers. We can go to small time frame. What I do is, first of all I draw the swing highs and swing lows. Swing high, that is the market making that the bullish market make higher highs and higher lows. This higher high, higher low, higher low, higher highs, and like that. So in every higher lows there is a chance of resting liquidity. So I market these liquidities, and I draw the previous the last higher high and higher low. So I think that I ended the trade up to, I think we can go for that. I think that I ended the trade up to this level or like that. So uh, so I drawn the previous high and previous low. So in that small time frame, what I see was in the 1 minute, I can go for this area. So in the previous 1 minute time frame, I see like a thing that the market is up on this area. I think that I entered the trade on this region uh, up to this level. That's my and I think this area is my entry position. So in that time, what I see was the market making a same equal point. So we already known that in these lows there is a sort of liquidity areas, that is the liquidity is spending here. when the market is make a equal low, the market is not taking these liquidity. We are on every lower lows, higher lows. We already know that some of the liquidities are spending in these lows. So when the market make a equal low, the market is not collecting these areas. The market not collecting these areas. So I get a confirmation like that the market is collecting only that is the market is trapping the buyers, showing these type of candles, that is a shooting star candle, and the market is making a trap like it's going upside. So when the market go upside, we can see a huge short candle, that is a bearish candle, and the markets showing like that the market is making a support on this area, this same area, and not going downside, and when it come to upside and then immediately go down, that the market is making a trap like the market is going to a bearish mode. And the what the retailers do is they seeing this type of candle, that is they immediately see that they think that the market is going to the upside. But in the higher time frame, what the market is going to a bearish mode. It is a trap for the retailers to buy side. So when we see these candles, the retailers do is they go for a buy position, but I clearly analyze this position. What the here is a story like that when the market reaching the equal lows, the market is not going to collect these liquidity, but it come up to these levels and go to the upside, and go to upside and collecting. When the market are reaching up to this level, there is a huge short candle. What interestingly, we can see that when I draw the fib level from this high to this low, we can see that the market is coming up to 78 fib level and collecting that orders, that showing the market some players have already entered the market and they shorted the market up to here, and the make a trap like the market is going to upside like these candles, and a huge upside moment, and the market is again putting their orders into the market, that is they again collecting their orders for a short position. So I see this thing, so I entered the market up to here. So I target up to collecting all the liquidities. I targeted for collecting the liquidities. So in the I go to for the 50 minutes, and we can see that these are the liquidities I seen here, and the market collecting that liquidity and come up to this level. At that time I see like the market has a potential to go up to this level, this high value area, but the market currently trading up to this level. It's also a good risk reward ratio. So market come up to this liquidity and showing like the liquidity is taken and going to upside. So if we have a courage to hold this position, you can trail your stop loss to the cost price and wait for the market to go down. But I exited the trade because the market is already taken the liquidity, like showing the liquidity is taken and going to upside. So I exited this position. So this is the reason for taking this trade, and thank you for watching this video.